Guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram monetization status. Right now, once you're inside Instagram, you want to click on your profile on the lower right hand side. From here, go ahead and click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. That's the burger menu there. And from here, you want to scroll down towards the middle of the page to where it says business tools and controls. So once you tap on that, guys, towards the bottom, you will see monetization status. So if you click on it, you will be able to see your monetization status. And as you can see, it is saying you're eligible. And if you look closely towards the bottom, you will see the current policy violations. You can see if you have any strikes there, etc., etc. Right, you'll see the different policies there, and as you can see, I have one there, and it basically tells what it is. If you don't, it will show 0 for all of them. Right now, if you go back, you can also go ahead and you can check add placement. So if you go ahead and click add payments, you will be able to see the payment methods, and you can also go ahead and set up all of these things. Now, please be mindful that you will need to have a business account in order to do this, and you can find this all in the same place. If you look towards the bottom again, you will see switch account type. So if you're on a personal account, you will be able to tap on that. You'll be able to switch to a business account or a creator's account. So if you're on a creator's account, you can switch to the business account, vice versa. Right, so that's how you can go about checking your monetization status, guys, and so much more. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.